Hello students, welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to see workbook filler for standard 8 subject Sanskrit, chapter number 6, Vinod Padyani. Dear students, let us see all the exercises of workbook one by one. The very first exercise is, for each of the given questions, choose the correct options and write the letters corresponding to the answer in the box provided. First, कन्या राशि स्थितः जामाता सदा कीदृशः? सो द आंसर इज सी वक्री क्रूरः च. सेकंड, किं परमं तपः विद्यते? सो द आंसर इज बी टका. थर्ड, हाटके कः टकटकायते? सो द आंसर इज सी निर्धनः. फोर्थ, पुरुषः केन प्रकारेण प्रसिद्धः भवेत्? सो द आंसर इज येन केन प्रकारेण. ए येन केन प्रकारेण. फिफ्थ, उष्ट्राणां विवाहेषु के गीतं गायन्ति? सो द आंसर इज सी रासभाः. सिक्स्थ, पिता किं वरेयते? सो द आंसर इज बी श्रुतम्. नाउ 7 नंबर, बान्धवाः किं वरयते? So the answer is D kulam. 8 number, yamah kim harati? So the answer is A pranan. 9 number, vaidyah kasya bhrata asti? So the answer is A yamrajasya. 10 number, disjoin the word misthanamitare? So the answer is B misthanam plus ittare. Now 11 number, blank is the religion, duty and highest penance? So the answer is A beauty. 12 number, a girl gives importance to blank? Answer is C beauty. 13 number, there are blank rituals for men? So the answer is B 16. Question number 2, fill in the blanks with appropriate words according to the poem. First, Jamata sada blank apekshate? So the answer is puja. Second, Yashya blank taka nasti sa hatke kim karishyati? So haste. Third, Parasparam blank aho rupam aho dhvaniha? Answer is prasansanti. Fourth, Purushah ghatam vindrata patam cha blank? So the answer is chindrata. Fifth, ittare janaha blank icchanti? So the answer is mishtana. Sixth, vaidyah blank dhanani cha harati? So the answer is pranana. Dear students, here in given space you have to copy down all the blanks as above. Question number 3. Put a right against the true statement and wrong against the false statement. First, Jamata sada tirashkaram apekshate? So the answer is wrong. Second, Takahi paramam karma vartati? Wrong. Third, Purushah sadeva prasiddhah bhavati? Wrong. Fourth, Ushranam vivahe vanaraha geetam gayanti? Wrong. Fifth, Vivahe bandhvaha mishthanam ichchati? Wrong. And sixth, Vaidyah yamrajasya sahodara vartate? Right. Exercise number 4. Match the columns A and B correctly to make complete sentence. First, Sada Vakri Sada Krurah? So the answer from column B is G. Kanya Rasi Sthitah Sada. Second, Parasparam Prasansanti? So the answer from column B is A. Aho Rupam Aho Dhvani. Third, Bandhavaha Kulamicchanti? So the answer from column B is Kh. Misthanamitare janaha. Exercise number 5. Find out the true synonyms of the Sanskrit words given below from the options against them and write. First, Puja. So Archana. Second, Gatah. Answer is Kumbha. Third, Bandhavah Swajanah. Fourth, Kulam Vancham Gotram. Fifth, Vitam Taka. Sixth, Gardhabah. Answer is Rasavah Kharah. 7, Pita Janakah. 8, Patam Vastram. Now, exercise number 6. Recognize the following action verbs and write. सो गायन्ति वर्तमान काल परस्मै पद अन्य पुरुष बहुवचन. इच्छन्ति वर्तमान काल परस्मै पद अन्य पुरुष बहुवचन. थर्ड, वर्यते वर्तमान काल आत्मनेपद अन्य पुरुष एकवचन. एंड फोर्थ, अपेक्षते. सो द एक्शन वर्ब इज फ्रॉम वर्तमान काल अन्य पुरुष एकवचन. 7. Recognize the case of the following words. पूजाम, सो अकारांत नपुंसकलिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति. सेकंड, प्रकारेण अकारांत पुल्लिंग तृतीया विभक्ति एकवचन. थर्ड, धर्मः अकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन. विवाहेषु अकारांत पुल्लिंग सप्तमी विभक्ति बहुवचन. फिफ्थ, हस्ते अकारांत पुल्लिंग सप्तमी विभक्ति एकवचन. एंड सिक्स्थ, गर्दभाः अकारांत पुल्लिंग प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 8. डिसजॉइन द वर्ड्स. पूजाम प्लस पेक्षते, सो पूजाम प्लस अपेक्षते. सेकेंड, कुलमिच्छन्ति, सो आंसर इज कुलम प्लस इच्छति. थर्ड, मिष्ठान मित्तर, सो द आंसर इज मिष्ठानम प्लस इत्तरे. फोर्थ, कुर्यात् कुर्यात् रासव रोहणम, सो द आंसर इज कुर्यात प्लस रासव रोहणम. 9 number, join the words. फर्स्ट, कह प्लस अपि कोडपि. सेकेंड, नमः प्लस तुभ्यम नमस्तुभ्यम. थर्ड, यमः प्लस तु यमस्तु. फोर्थ, पुरुषः प्लस भवेत्, सो द आंसर इज पुरुषो भवेत्. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 10. Answer each of the following questions in one sentence in Sanskrit. First, Jamata sada kim apekshate? So the answer is Jamata sada pujam apekshate. Second, Jamata katamah grah asti? So the answer is Jamata dashamah grah asti. Third, Rasabrohanam krutva kah prasiddha bhavet? So the answer is Rasabrohan krutva purushah prasiddhah bhavet. Fourth, अहो रूपम अहो ध्वनिः इति के प्रशंसन्ति? सो द आंसर इज अहो रूपम अहो ध्वनिः इति गर्दभाः उष्ट्राः च परस्परं प्रशंसन्ति. फिफ्थ, माता किं वरयते? सो द आंसर इज माता वित्तं वरयते. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Answer each of the following questions in one sentence in English. First, who is called 10th planet? So the answer is a son-in-law is called 10th planet. Question second, what does a son-in-law expect all the time? So a son-in-law always expect to be served and felicitated all the time. Third, what is the status in society of a person who has no money? So the answer is a person who has no money wanders aimlessly in the market. Fourth, how should man become famous? So the answer is a man should become famous by smashing an earthen pot, by wiping cloth, or by riding on a donkey. Fifth, in whose marriage ceremony does the donkey sing? So the answer is donkey sings in the marriage ceremony of camel. Now exercise number same 11, question number 6. When deciding a girl's marriage, what do the girl, her father and mother likes? So when deciding a girl's marriage, a girl likes looks, a mother likes wealth, and father likes education. 7 number, what is the difference between a Vaidya, doctor and Lord Yama? So the answer is the difference between a Vaidya doctor is Yama only takes away life while a doctor takes away both life and money too. Now question number 12. Translate the following verses into English. First, टका धर्म टका कर्म टका ही परमं तपः यस्य हस्ते टका नास्ति हाटके टकटकायते. So the answer is like this. Money is religion, money is duty, money is the highest penance. The one in whose hand there is no money wanders aimlessly in the market. Second, घटं विप्रात् पटं छिन्द्रात् कुर्यात् रासवरोहणं येन केन प्रकारेण प्रसिद्धः पुरुषो भवेत्. So the answer is by smashing an earthen pot, by wiping cloth, or by riding on a donkey, man should become famous in any which way. Third, वैद्यराज नमस्तुभ्यं यमराज सहोदरः यमस्तु हरति प्राणान् वैद्यः प्राणान् धनानि च. So the answer is, O doctor, great brother of Yamraj, salute to you. Yama only takes away life, while a doctor takes away both life and money too. Exercise number 13. Complete the following verses. First, सदा वक्री सदा क्रूरः कन्या राशि स्थितः सदा पूजापेक्षते जामाता दशमो ग्रह. सेकेंड, उष्ट्राणा हि विवाहेषु गीतं गायन्ति गर्दभाः परस्परं प्रशंसन्ति अहो रूपम अहो ध्वनि. थर्ड, कन्यावरते रूपम माता वित्तं पिता श्रुतं बान्धवाः कुलमिच्छन्ति मिष्ठान्नमित्तरे जनाः. Dear students, here our workbook filler for chapter number 6 Vinod Padhyani is over. You may copy down all the exercise in your workbook. Thank you.